How to withdraw Bybit bonus. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to withdraw your bonus on Bybit. So the first thing to do after you open up the Bybit app like this, so you go to your profile at the top. After you go to your profile, so now you tap on this reward hub, this one. So under the reward hub, so if you come to this option now, most of the time Bybit gives you some reward in this option. So the first thing to do, so as you can see now, after you come to this option, now you have three options. So the first thing to do, you tap on this event button. So or you go to this tax. So under the tax, as you can see now, so there is some offers that Bybit gives you daily. So the first thing now, as you can see now I have this offer. So here Bybit says that deposit USDT via mental network. So if I deposit USDT via the condition they give me, they may give me some reward of USDT. And the second one, it says deposit 500 USDT, 300 USDT, and I'll be getting some fees, or I'll be getting some USDT. So if you tap on this option now, they will give you some conditions. After you finish completing all the conditions, like if it is deposit, you deposit the money that they ask, and if it is trade, after you deposit the money like this one, you deposit the money and you complete the trade. So if you want to see your reward that Bybit gives you, so you just go back to your wallet and go back again. So if you come to home like this, so you go to assets. If you go to assets, if there is any amount that Bybit gives you, you just tap on this asset button. So under the asset, here you'll be able now to see the amount that you get if it is available. So if the amount is available for you, all you need to do, just select the amount. Like let's say this BTC, if it is this BTC, I'll select it like this. So after you select it like this, now you can go ahead now and withdraw it to another wallet that you want to withdraw it, and that's it. But if it is not available for you, as you can see now, like if you complete and like tax in the Bybit hub, and they say that they gives you the like promise something to gives you, maybe they only give you that amount for your fees on Bybit. Most of the time, if you just perform some action, they will give you some reward, and the reward are not withdrawable, because you can't withdraw the rewards, because the reward they only gives you to help you reduce the fees that you use that they used to like charge you when trading on the Bybit. So all those rewards are safe for you when trading. If you are trading like let's say $100 or $200, let's say if they will charge you let's say $1 in that $200, so now they will not charge you from your initial capital. Now they will use that amount that they gives you as a reward and charge you from the amount. And that's how Bybit reward bonus work. That's it guys on how to like withdraw your Bybit bonus, if it is possible or not possible. So now I explained it for you. You can withdraw the reward Bybit bonus sometime, and sometime you can withdraw them. If the reward are available here, you can withdraw, and if they are not available here after you complete the tax, means that they are not withdrawable. They only give you the reward, the bonus, just to reduce the charges for you when trading on the Bybit. If this video helps, like and subscribe, or meet in the next one.